In question 16, we try to find the relationship between the plan of a clubhouse and the actual clubhouse. You can think of the plan in the middle. It is a representation of the actual clubhouse. So you know that the actual clubhouse should be much bigger than the plan. And now, to make the word problem simpler, I want you first take out your highlighter and to highlight the terms that belong to the plan in yellow color. So the area of a plan, it is 24 cm square. And then for the 600 meter square is the actual area. I try to use another color for blue color to represent the actual stuff. And then for the 1 cm, it is the length on the plan. And for the kcm, it is the actual. So now you see I marked it with the same color, or if you wish, you can make use of the rough work, the sketch. So for the plan, the length ratio, okay, will be 1 cm to kcm. And for the area, it will be 24 cm square to 600 meter square. And some of you may be smart enough to notice that the units are not the same. For the plan, all of the lengths are represented in cm. And for the clubhouse, the length also in cm, but the area is meter square. So for the plan, all of the area and length, they are in terms of cm and cm square. And for the actual clubhouse, the area itself is meter square. So how can I change the meter square to cm square and make the unit more consistent? And for your information, how to change meter square to cm square? You know that actually 1 meter equal to 100 cm. If we know what is 1 meter square equals to how many cm square, then we can solve the above problem. Imagine that 1 meter square, it is the area of a square, length 1 meter, width 1 meter. However, we know that 1 meter equals to 100 cm. So it is still the same square. However, if we represent it in terms of cm, it will be 100 times 100, which gives you 10,000 cm square. One common error for you is you think that 1 meter square equals to 100 cm square only. No. Using this square example to help you, you can understand that 1 meter square, it is 100 times 100. It is 10,000 cm square indeed, not 100. So now you know to change the 600 meter square to cm square. You just need to times 10000, then you can change to cm square. So After calculation, it will be 600,000 cm square. Now we make all the units the same, and we can go on to find the length ratio and the area ratio. So for the length ratio, it is k to 1 if I represent the plan, the information of a plan, the actual length, the actual clubhouse information in the numerator. And then 1, the denominator, it represents the plan's information. So this will be the length ratio k to 1. And for the area ratio, will be 600,000 over 24. Still the same. Numerator tells you the actual area, the information of the actual clubhouse, and the denominator tells you the plan's information, 24 cm square. Now we can go on to solve the equation. We know that length ratio square will be equal to the area ratio. The power of 2 always we put it to the length ratio. So k equal to 1 whole term square will be 600,000 over 24. Now we want to break the brackets for the whole bracket square on the left, so it will be k square over 1 square. The right hand side is still unchanged. And as we know, 1 square actually still 1. So we just simplify the equation into k square equal to 600,000 over 24. And the right hand side, you can simplify it, is 250,000. And to find the k, you need to take the square root on both sides. Because the unknown itself is square, if you want to offset it, you need to both hand side take the square root, and you can get that k will be 500. So that's the end of this example.